In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user in your GoDaddy account. Whether you're setting up a new account for yourself or adding a user to your existing GoDaddy account for collaborative purposes, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the Google search bar, type GoDaddy and hit enter. You'll see the official GoDaddy website appear as one of the top results. Click on it, and it will direct you to the GoDaddy homepage. If you're not already signed in, that's perfectly fine, because we will create a new user today. Once you've landed on the GoDaddy homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice the Sign In option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options for signing in and creating an account. If you don't see the Create an Account button straight away, don't worry. You should find it right beneath the login fields or just after you click on Sign In. Now, click on Create an Account. It's quite straightforward from here. You're presented with a few options for setting up your account. You can choose to use your email, or alternatively, if you have a Facebook or Google account, you can use one of these to sign up. Choose whichever method suits you best, keeping in mind convenience and security practices. For example, if you choose to use your email account, it may help keep your work and personal profiles separate, which some users prefer for organizational purposes. After selecting your preferred method, type in your email address and create a strong, unique password. Ensure your password is a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. GoDaddy might also provide a strength indicator to guide you in choosing a robust password. Once you've entered these credentials, proceed to click on the Continue button. At this point, GoDaddy may ask you to verify your email address or authenticate via the method you used to sign up, like Google or Facebook authorization. Follow these additional prompts to complete the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully created a user in your GoDaddy account. Remember, keeping good track of your login details is crucial to ensure seamless access to your account in the future. If you ever face any issues, GoDaddy provides customer support to help you troubleshoot problems on the fly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.